Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about three things. 1. Constant. 2. Final. And the 3 is the string concatenation. I opened the .pad.dev and this is an online, I can say IDE that we can run Dart online. Okay, let's start with const. What is const? Const is a keyword which means constant. We use this keyword when we want the value of a variable to be constant at the runtime. Okay, let's start with const. How we can use this const type or const keyword? So let's see how we can use it in a code. Writing const pi is equal to 3.14 and let's print it pi and run. Here is the value of pi, and if we want to change the value of pi, for example, I give a value is equal to 23, then there will be an error which tells that const variable can't be assigned a value. It means we cannot assign a value to the pi again. Okay, let's remove it and the error will go. What is final? The final is also a keyword. We use the final when a value or variable will never change. So let's, instead of const, we put final and run it. There is no changes for now. It will print this 3.14. Then if I change the value of pi to something like 2, there will be an error. What it says, the final variable pi can only be set once. We cannot set again the value. So inside of the program, so when we are working on a project or making an application, so it happened that there will be a value that never change or we will not change. We can set final in front of the variable that will not be changed. Now it's time to go to work on concatenation. I'm going to declare some variables like string name is equal to Ali, and another variable string last name is equal to some Shafai. And now if I want to print this two line or two variable in the same line, we can print it like this. For example, hello, and after the hello I can use the $sign and the name of variable that I want to print it. So I use the name and let's run it for test. Here is the string hello Ali, and if I put the last name also in front of Ali, then I put another $sign and put the name of the variable as last name, and let's run it. Here is hello Ali Shafai. So this is one kind of string concatenation, and also we can do something by adding a bracket after the $sign. We can add some other feature also to the last name, like if I press the dot button, we can see a bunch of things we can do with the last name. For example, I want to change the last name to the uppercase by writing to lowercase, uppercase, and to string. I'm going to change it to uppercase and select it, and let's run. Here is Shafai changed to uppercase. And also we can change the name to uppercase by adding a bracket, dot to uppercase, and run it. So this is the one method that we can concatenate two strings, and another method also here that we can concatenate the strings, like add a plus sign after the bracket, after the double quoted comma, and call the name variable here, and also add another plus and call the other variable last name, and going to run it. And now we have hello Ali Shafai. We don't have space, we can give a space here and another space between name and last name, we can add another plus and a double quoted comma space, because the space is also a character. We can concatenate it with between the last name and the first name. Let's run. Here is hello Ali Shafai. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from this video, and see you in the next one with the operators.